The blade clamp secures the saw blades to your recip saw. The clamp attaches to the recip shaft and has a set screw that clamps the blade in place. Over time, the blade clamp will wear. Often the threads for the set screw will strip out. Occasionally, the clamp will crack. Replacing the blade clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The JR3000V was one of Makita's very most popular recip saws. They made many changes to it over the years. Because of this, when you replace one part, it may be necessary to replace several others around it. If you go to Makita's website and search for the model JR3000V, you'll find a parts breakdown. At the bottom of the breakdown, there's a complete list of all the service bulletins. Let's get started. I'll remove the shoe. It's secured with 2 screws. Now I can remove the protective boot. With the boot removed, I have access to the blade clamp. First, I'll remove the set screw. And then the screw that secures the clamp to the recip shaft. Now I can install the new blade clamp. I'll align it with the shaft and install the screw. And on the other side, I'll reinstall the set screw. Now I'll reinstall the boot and the shoe. And that's how easy it is to install a new blade clamp on your recip saw.